Hello. So today's video is going to be my current everyday winter makeup. A lot of these products I've been using recently, so it won't be a surprise to you if you've been watching any of my recent videos. So yeah, it's a very simple, very everyday, very basic look, but I've just been wearing this a lot and I'm obsessed with all of these products that I'm using. So if you want to know what they are and how I did this look, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. We're back with a makeup video. Okay, so I thought I would just go through kind of like my current makeup routine that I'm doing at the minute, and it is kind of like the one I like to wear like when it's getting colder and it's just winter time. I'm just going to start off by putting on some SPF. Yes, I know it's winter, yes it's not sunny, but we still need to protect our skin, so I'm just going to pop on some SPF. The one that I use and I love is the Body Shop Vitamin E1. It kind of smells nice. It not necessarily smooths out your skin, but it kind of just balances like your texture and like your skin tone a little bit. It's nice and moisturizing as well. That's what I also do really like, because I did put my moisturizer on like after I showered. So okay, so I'll do my brows like after, because I kind of actually, you know what, let's just get the brows out of the way. So I'm just going to use my Sephora brow pencil. I don't mind this. I'm not that fussy with brow products anymore, just because on a daily basis I don't really do my brows. So when it comes to face primers, we know I love my face primers so much. So I like to use more kind of glowy products when it's kind of winter and cold, because I feel like, because it's cold, I feel like you don't really get oily or anything as much, or I don't really get oily anymore. So I think you can just kind of glow yourself up a bit more and be a bit more dewy and stuff like that, because I feel like the cold just does its thing. So I'm going to use the Linda Hallberg Infinity Glass Face Primer. I haven't used this a ton. I did get it recently, but I've really been liking it when I have used it. Face primers for me are always like changeable. I change them all the time, so any glowy face primer will do the trick. I've been using the e.l.f., is it called the Glow Up Primer Oil or something like that? It's just the glowy primer oil. I think it's supposed to be like that Smashbox one, and I've really been liking that as well. My flower one I use all year round, and this one, like, look how nice it is. This doesn't have any glitter or anything in it, it's just really, really glowy. The flower one does have glitter, so does the e.l.f. one, but they're not like chunks of like gross glitter, so it's kind of fine. This is really, really sticky, so this really keeps your makeup on. Okay, when it comes to foundation, again, I like to be a bit more dewy, but also I need something that lasts a long time and still looks like skin. So one of my favourites, it's almost run out, is the No. 7 Lift and Illuminate foundation. You know what, I think I'm going to try my new Sigma brush. Well, I got a Sigma flat angled kabuki, it's the F88 brush, and I'm just going to pop this on. So honestly, like, when it comes to foundation at the moment, I have actually been using a brush a lot more. I've been using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick a lot as well. I really, really like that. And I've been doing a lot of like early shifts, so I've been like rushing with my makeup, so I haven't really been doing like this when I've been on earlier shifts and stuff. So that Wet n Wild, like the foundation stick, is really good to just kind of whap on, to just kind of put on like if you're in a rush and if you gotta go. That's something really quick and easy to use. This is just like an all year round foundation, honestly. I really like that. Look how dewy that skin is. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Moving on. Okay, concealer time. The time has actually come where there is now a concealer that I like more than my Jouer one. And I feel sad, and I feel like I'm kind of cheating on it a bit, but the Dose of Colours Meet Your Hue concealer is amazing. This is my new favourite concealer. I love this thing so much. Honestly, it's so nice. So nice. This shade is like perfect for me as well. I'm obsessed with it. I use medium tan which is now just blends out so quickly, so easily, and just so, like, you really don't have to put a lot of effort in with this concealer. It's so good for, like, just kind of evening out your skin as well. Like, there's so many times I've used this when I haven't wanted to put foundation on and I've just kind of popped it everywhere, and I think because it is so quick to just blend out, like, you can really use this in a rush. That the creasing situation with this is a lot less than every other concealer I've ever used. The Jouer one is really good with that as well, to be fair. That is why it was my favourite for so long. It still is a favourite concealer of mine, but I think, I don't know, it's just something about this one that I don't know. It's just, this one just does something for me and I love it. This powder is again something that switches with me all the time, but one that I have really been enjoying recently is the Fenty one. I really like this. I use butter. Also, this brush from that haul, the Superdrug brush, this packs on your powder. That's what it smells like. It smells like laundry and I kind of like it. If you don't like strongly fragranced things, you might not like this powder. It's not like overpowering, it's just, you can smell it. This is also a really, really good powder for like long days. If you're wearing your makeup for a long time, a night out, this is also a really, really good like night out powder. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do my eyes, like, just because there's nothing special about my eyes. I haven't been wearing eyeshadow, honestly, unless I've been like filming something. I'm just gonna use my LA Girl eyeliner that I always use to tightline with. Any mascara is fine. I'm just gonna use my Maybelline one because I'm still trying to use this thing up. Like, yeah, I haven't worn mascara, I think, since I did that last makeup tutorial. I'm so lazy with work because I've been working like so much. I don't care about my appearance. But it feels nice. Like, it feels so nice to put makeup on. It's just so, it's therapeutic. It's therapeutic to do makeup. For me anyway. Why can I hear seagulls outside? It's December. I live in England and there's no like ocean or like a, you know what, whatever. No, seagulls don't just go near the ocean. I am aware of that. Seagull, or was it like a duck or something? You know what, I don't know. This is not a wildlife show, so let's just stop talking about ducks and seagulls. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little mascara chat. We're gonna move on now. So, bronzer. This is my best friend. I love this thing so much. If you have no idea what it is, you can watch me fall in love in this video right here that I'll pop somewhere. My drugstore haul. Yeah, that is what I look like when I'm in love. But if you are too lazy to go watch that, I'll let you know what it is anyway because I'm nice. It's the Revolution Pro Sculpt and Glow Contour and Highlight Palette. This highlight is really nice as well. I use this highlight more when I'm in a rush because I'm too lazy to just open another one and apply that. Look how nice that is. Got another one to use for today's video because we're putting in a bit more effort in today. Okay, for blush, I've been using this blush a lot, to be fair. It's the Milani blush in Sunset Passion. It is a bit baked one, obviously, so it leaves a really nice glow. It's just really nice. Okay, when it comes to highlight, okay, I like glass skin when it's winter. I don't know if it's like snow or just something like that. So I'll either use my Amrezy highlight, which I'm not going to use because I think I used that in a recent video. So I'm going to use this guy, which is also a favourite of mine. This is the Dose of Colours, the Desi and Katie collection. It's their highlight in Fuego. This was from like their round one. This is the old one, the OG. I haven't used this in a while. This was like one of my night out highlights. Like, this is just, this is wet. This is absolute wetness just on your face. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. Okay, so I don't set my face when it gets cold because I feel like the cold weather in the UK does that for you. So I literally don't, okay? I honestly don't bother. And again, I switch up my lips all the time. But since that last video that I uploaded, I love this combo so much. It's the e.l.f. matte lip colour in Praline. So I just fill this fill my lips in with this, and then I go over top just in the centre of the lips, and I use Bare Necessities from Colourpop. Okay, so that is it. Super quick, super simple, super glowy, super nice, lovely for every day. So that is it for today's video. So give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you like any of these products, and I'll see you tomorrow.